Okay, so this is the ayam brand sardine that I've used. You need some peppers. You need some sugar, a bit of salt, the rice, eggs, chili powders, and some onions. So this is the normal ingredient that we need. And definitely we need some oil for frying. So yeah. So this is a very simple ingredient for the cooking. So first of all, make sure your wok is hot enough. Dry it out. Make sure no more water there. Yeah. And now pour out the sardines from the can. I usually will remove all the bones. If you like to eat the bones together, go ahead. But I remove it, and I will basically make it into smaller pieces for easy frying. Yes, depend how chunky you like it. I prefer smaller. If you like to have a bigger, then just to mix it that much. So, but I personally do not prefer to have any bones there for the sardines. Yeah, this is my preference. As you like. This is a home cooking. So once the wok is hot enough, pour in some oil. Yep. I will first fry the onion first. Yeah, I fry the onion because the onion need a bit of time for frying to really release the fragrance. Yeah, this is the important part, For any sardines, you need to make sure you have the onions. This is very crucial. You can also add 1 or 2 slices of ginger if you want. I didn't do it, but you can do it as well. So stir fry it, and on and off, just make sure you monitor the fire as well, because sometimes if it's too hot, you burn the onions. So you might need to put in the medium heat when the wok is too hot. So this is how we play around with the. I can't tell you exactly how much frame of fire you want to use, but it depends on yourself. It depends on the wok that you're using as well. So just play around. You will not go wrong. Continue stir fry it. So stir fry until after I think about 3 to 5 minutes, where the onions a bit soft. Then you can start to add some peppers for taste. You like, you put in more. If you don't like, you can remove it as well. Then now is the time I put in the sardines as well. If you feel that it's too dry, you can add in some water. I didn't do it, hence I just used the entire tin of sardines. A small tin, not a huge one, a small tin. And these portions of fried rice is sufficient for 2 to 3 adults. Okay, 2 to 3 adults. With a small can of sardines. And the rice I use about 1.5 cup of rice. So you can either cook it overnight, but I cook it today and let it rest. Let it cool down so the rice will not be that sticky. It will be more drier. This is the secret as well. Now I'll put in the curry powder. You can put paprika, you can put curry powder, you can put chili powder as you like. Depends on the taste that you like. Yeah, I love curry powder myself. I put some salt now. I don't dare to put a lot because I will taste again during the frying. So I put a bit of salt. I put a bit of sugars as well. All cooking need to have some sugar and some salt to balance it off. Okay, if you like sweeter taste, you put more sugar. So I stir fry it. Now I should be using medium to low heat. Yeah, stir fry it. It's just to release the fragrance. Yeah, release the fragrance. Now I clean the wok a bit. I push the sardine aside. I put in a bit of oil because I need to fry the eggs. I personally prefer to fry the eggs so that you can have some crispy eggs, fried eggs as well. So it tastes and smell better. That's what I'm usually do. Yeah, it's up to you as well. So I medium to low heat. I'll stir it a bit. Yes. Now I'll put in the rice. Yeah. Just put in. Yeah. Now you can continue to stir fry 3 to 5 minutes as well. I usually fry a bit longer so you have some burnt smell. I love it. If you don't like it, you can just stir fry, mix it around, and then you can serve. But I will try to stir fry at least 5 minutes above to have some burnt smell. That fragrance is unbelievable. That's why we call it fried rice. We are not calling it mixed rice. Okay? If you just want to mix it, then it's called mixed rice. But I fry rice means I need to fry, make sure each of the rice already touched the heat and a bit of the burns. So this is a good fried rice. You can either turn up the heat or put in the medium heat. So you can see that I'm also scraping off some of the burnt rice under the pan, under the wok. Okay. So now, if you like to have a darker color, you can put the dark soy sauce. But for me, I don't prefer it, but you can do it. But some people love to see the dark color fried rice. I'm basically Cantonese, hence I love whiter color of fried rice. My mom is a Cantonese mom, so she usually don't use dark soy sauce. Okay, but my mother-in-law love it because she's Hokkien. Hokkien usually Hokkien fried rice, everything you use dark soy sauce. Hokkien noodles, you can see it. The Cantonese fry is always white in color or light in color. So let's taste it a bit. I usually do the tasting. I'll put lesser salt at the front because I do not want to overpower it. So if I feel that, oh no, I need a bit more salt, then I either put the soy sauce or I put a bit more salt or sugars or peppers, depend which taste that is missing. Okay, I'll put a bit more, about half a small teaspoon, and some pepper. Or you can just, as I mentioned, you can put some dark soy sauce. Sorry, not dark soy sauce. Soy sauce. Continue frying it. Continue frying it. At this time, you can, if you want to have a bit of heat or kick or spiciness, you can put in a small, we call it chili padi. Cut a few small ones, just put it in and fry together at this time. So this is the best part. There are no right or wrong of frying the sardine fried rice. You can put tomato, you can put ketchup, you can put chilies, paprika, and everything, anything you like. You can give it a taste. So this round looks good. Fry a bit more, and you are ready to serve anytime. So this is the best part of doing home cooking. It's freestyle. It's really freestyle. There are no right or wrong. You can always adjust it to your taste. And now it's ready to serve. Yep. So as I mentioned earlier, 2 to 3 to 4 people is sufficient. I only use 1.5 cup of rice. Yeah, 1.5 cup of rice. Yep. Yep. Nah, you have it now. Looks perfect. Happy trying. Please click on the like and subscribe button if you like it. Do share it out to your friends as well, so it gives me a motivation to create more. Thank you very much. Thanks for all the support.